This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to teach you on how to remove your pin and add your millinery wire. After molding your fascinator, if you don't know how to mold fascinator, check BB Ventures Art. You will see how to mold fascinator there. To remove your pin is very simple. After you have molded everything, some mold are not too hard. You can remove it with your hand. You can remove your pin with your hand because the mold is soft. While you can remove it with your scissors. To remove it, some are very soft that you can easily use your hand to remove, while some is very scissors to remove it. Now, after removing the pin, the next thing is to remove your paper mat from the mold. Stretch it out. There's no need to force it out. Just stretch the mat out. Stretch it out like this. Then easily remove your mold. Very simple. From this edge to this place, measure 0.5, then cut the remaining one off. The 0.5 is to cover your wire if you are not sewing it. It's this how to trim your this is how to trim your fascinator. Then the reason why I said you should leave 0.5 here is that I'm going to fix the wire now. Then that is what I'm going to use to cover the wire. Take your wire, put it inside your fascinator, or if the wire is too much, if the wire is more than the size, you have to cut it off. I fix my wire inside it. I fix my wire. The next thing is to take my sellotape. You can cut out of it if it's too long. You can see the wire, the binding wire is inside already. Take your sellotape. You are going to use your sellotape to tape the edge of the wire where they join together, then the two sides. After doing that, fix the wire back. Fix the wire back inside the fascinator. And you see, then take your ugum. Take your ugum, put it at the edge like this, and the inside. Put it at the edge and inside the wire. See the way I'm doing it. Allow it to dry, then you can gum it now. Allow it to dry small, then use your hand to gum it. You can see it. This is how to fix your binding wire in your fascinator. You can see. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.